पेश है नया नेस्कैफे का क्लासिक कॉफी।
We're gonna have നമ്മള് ഇന്ന് Dalgona Coffee ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ പോവാണ്. And നമ്മുടെ ഒക്കെ ingredients ഉണ്ട് on the table. So I'm gonna tell you what the ingredients are. So why not my sister tell you guys?
Sure. We've got Nescafe coffee, or you can take any coffee. We've got sugar, 4 tablespoons. We've got a bowl in which we can whisk it. We've got a whisker, of course, and we've got a little of hot water.
Wow, sounds interesting. She already started. Alright guys, so here we are going to have some fun making Dalgona coffee. Okay, oh my god. 2 tablespoons of... 4. Okay, sorry, 4. Why don't you put the whole bottle in it, bitch? Oh my god. Half of it is just spilling out of the spoon.
So I've taken 4 tablespoons of coffee. I already have 4 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3.
Put the whole thing in it, man.
So I have a little.
What the fuck? We are...
खींचना बाबू, जल्दी खींचना बाबू. Now we need. So it's like आपने कॉफी लिया है, जितना आपने शुगर लिया है उतना ही पानी भी होना चाहिए. So I'm taking 4 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3. So Mama's going to kill me for using this spoon for this shit. Okay. Now comes the hard part.
Which I'm not gonna get indulged in.
Sugar is very little. Fast forward.
ले मेरे को, मैं करती हूँ.
Sometimes होता है ऐसा.
Affaibli par la faim, je suis malheureux. Pas longtemps chemin, tout ça que je peux, car rien n'est gratuit.
तोड़ना नहीं है प्लेट को.
बोल रही है.
Yeah, I think we should put some chocolate sides on our... Yeah, the chocolate bitch. Doesn't do any work, you know?
So I'm going to decorate the glass now.
पूरे जस्ट उल्टा कर दे उसको. अबे ऐसा नहीं रे, तो बीच में कर डाल और उसके से उल्टा कर दे बस. वो अपने आप ऐसा ड्रिप होने लग जाएगा.
बीच में डालूं और उल्टा करूं.
हाँ. Cheers, guys.
मिट्टियाँ.
बेवड़ी ऐसा पीती है, इसके लिए देती नहीं हूँ उसको। Beautiful, and look at that, my friends. I don't know if you guys can see it. I think the worst mistake we did was like we didn't powder the sugar, because I see the sugar is like still powder it like this.
We have all heard the word Dalgona. Do you know why is it called Dalgona? Do you? Well, I know. So, there was this person from South Korea, and he went on and tasted this coffee, and it tasted exactly like a South Korean dish, a sweet, which is called as Dalgona sweet. So he just named it because it tasted like that. That's how it trended. People liked the word Dalgona so much, it started trending. Did you get it now? So we have milk. We need ice cubes. We have everything ready, and I think this is ready as well.
I think this is enough.
Yeah.
Just let's freak it off. That's the consistency I'm talking about. ऐसे रख के हम लोग कभी भी डालगोना कॉफी बना सकते हैं ना?
मुझे वो नहीं पता.
इतना सब इंफॉर्मेशन दे रही थी, ये भी बना लेती. Okay, so we've got everything here. We have made the mixture too.
इसके ऊपर रसना घी डालेंगे. Finally done with it. This Dalgona came out perfecto. I've put a close-up picture right there. You all can see. We have topped it up with a little of coffee powder.
Sorry, coffee powder.
Coffee powder.
Yeah.
And let me tell you, the top part tastes
Awesome.
so we've mixed it, and I'm gonna taste it now.
I'm not a coffee lover, so I wouldn't.
I'm not even kidding, not even exaggerating. This is heaven.
So now you're.
This is heaven.
I thought this is bad, so I said I'm not a coffee lover, but let me check.
I actually love it. Did you not like it?
I love it too. Okay, guys, so that's all for today, and so tune in for more videos like this.
If you all like making Dalgona coffee with us, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Also, please let us know if you have any challenges or any idea that you'd like us to do in the comment section below. Guys, bye.